Hello everyone! Welcome to this WooCommerce tutorial where you'll learn how to configure shipping options and zones, a crucial part of running an online store. Whether you're shipping locally or internationally, getting your shipping setup right ensures smooth order fulfillment and happier customers. In WooCommerce, shipping zones let you control where your products are shipped and what methods are available for each area. You can offer free shipping to local customers, flat rates to national ones, or dynamic rates via shipping plugins. It's flexible, scalable, and essential for store success. Now, let's dive into a demo where I'll walk you through setting up shipping zones and adding different shipping methods. You'll also see how to install a shipping plugin for more advanced options like carrier-specific rates and delivery tracking. To summarize, WooCommerce gives you powerful tools to tailor your shipping setup. By defining zones and assigning the right methods, you can serve both local and global customers more efficiently. Don't forget to explore plugins for enhanced functionality. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and don't forget to subscribe for more WooCommerce and WordPress tutorials. See you in the next video.